Hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm a dietitian by profession, and for last 15 years I have been coaching people on how to lose weight and stay healthy by adopting the natural keto diet. By subscribing the channel you can watch videos that will help you to easily prepare keto recipes yourself. If you wish to get meal plan customized to your requirements, then you may want to take a brief quiz by clicking on the link given in the description below. Based on your responses, I will provide you with keto diet plan that perfectly fits to your needs and helps you to get rid of extra pounds of fat. Let's see what we have on the table today. Okay. Today, we will be preparing very simple but fabulous keto smoky cheeseburger salad. It takes only 5 minutes to prepare the salad after hamburger mince is cooked. Cooking time for the hamburger mince is generally 10 minutes. You can though take quantities of ingredients according to your requirement, but this recipe is for one serving only. To prepare smoky cheeseburger salad you will need 100 grams hamburger mince, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup iceberg lettuce, shredded, 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar, and 6 pieces of cherry tomatoes, halved. For preparing the dressing, you will require 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sugar-free tomato ketchup, and half a teaspoon of liquid smoke. You got to know how to prepare the salad? First, sear beef in a pan until it is brown. Season with salt and pepper according to your taste. Then, in a bowl, toss lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cheddar, and cooked mince. Finally, stir together ingredients for the dressing and drizzle over salad. Wow! Keto smoky cheeseburger is ready to serve. It is always good to know the nutritional information about the food you eat. 1 serving of keto smoky cheeseburger salad contains 368 kilocalories of energy, 28 grams of protein, 25 grams of fat, and 9 grams of carbohydrates. Now, let's watch how to prepare smoky cheeseburger salad. Disclaimer. The video description contains affiliate links. If you click on one of the links and purchase a product, I may receive a small commission. A large portion of these commissions is donated to a charity fund created to support poor children for their health and education needs. For more videos, please like, subscribe, and share the channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell, otherwise you will miss new video notifications.